The following short film will contain some earthquake alert systems, earthquake alert beeps, and strong language. Thank you for reading and enjoy the short film. Boris Anderson's Productions. Mayor's Pictures.
It's a nice day to watch TV, don't you agree? Yes, I agree. Besides, I got my beard on. What's that sound?
We'll interrupt this propaganda program for an alert system. There's an earthquake coming over the strike overheating over South Flim and Kingsland. So anyways, don't hide in the shower, otherwise you'll be burned to death, that is. So anyways, as I was saying, more information will continue after those commercial breaks. Thank you for reading it, and good luck. For me.
We better go to the shower, quick!
And don't even think about going to a shower.
Oh, okay. We'll just stand here instead, and then we all die. We're gonna be dead! What's wrong, Mayor? And worse, there's an earthquake. Yeah, a motherfucking earthquake.
Alright. We better go hide somewhere safe. I'll go hide in this corner. Quick, go in the corner.
What? What the fuck is that? Oh, hell, man.